Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off a process called dry ice blasting on a 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm going to introduce Eric Goybeck, who's the technician that's going to do it, and I'll let him tell you a little bit more about it.
What dry ice blasting is, it's an environmentally friendly way of cleaning frames, suspension, engines. I can make adjustments on the machine to be very gentle, to take ink off a business card, to be abrasive, to take undercoating off. There's no secondary waste. This leaves dirt. And some people say, is it like sandblasting? Sandblasting is like chiseling. Dry ice blasting is like a spatula. It freezes it and lifts it off. After I get done cleaning it, I apply a rust treatment and then let that dry. Then I apply a rust barrier paint to protect the full undercarriage and suspension. And then on the frames, when I'm dry ice blasting, I can leave the original paint. So there's no worries if you have an older classic to something brand new. It will not harm any of the original parts. That is the reason for the dry ice blasting, unlike sand. Sand also gets into the holes and then you can't get it out. Unlike dry ice, it just evaporates. Step one of the process is to dry ice blast, knock all the dirt off. Would be apply the rust treatment, which stops any further rusting. And step three is apply the rust barrier paint, which protects the full undercarriage.
Thank you for watching the video. If you guys liked the process and learned a little bit, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future content. If you're interested in scheduling a service or a consultation, I have all the information in the comments below.
I brought it here to have dry ice blasting done to the underside of the vehicle. Could not be happier with the result. It looks like a brand new vehicle on the underside. When I was redoing the Land Cruiser when I bought it originally, I was considering just doing the whole rotisserie and restoration, nut and bolt restoration, and got a little scared by the price at the beginning. This process is not only as good or better, but considerably less money. It is an absolute bargain. And so worth it. Could not be happier with it, and looking forward to continuing to upgrade my FJ40. So thank you, Ed Martin. Thank you, Toyota. You guys are the absolute best.